Do you feel it was a close fight for you?
Yes, it was a close fight, but we have got the voting that we have expected. 10,000 plus is what I had expected. The last election we had about 10,960. So we have crossed this time with about 11,000.
Being a young MLA, number of assurances have been given by you. So how would you look into that?
What is that?
Number of assurances that you have given in your manifesto and all. So how would you look into that in the next 2-3 years which you have now?
I have about 2.5 years left to complete the term. So with the help of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Goa, we'll do what is best, and with whatever time we have to complete as many works as possible during the remainder of this tenure.
So Mapusa bus stand is the first priority?
Yes, Mapusa bus stand is the first
Time
priority.
and again you have been.
The Almighty God for all the blessings, my late father for all the good work that he has done over the last 20 years in Mapusa. Mapusa BJP Mandal, my group of councillors who have supported me throughout the entire campaign. They have been with me since day one, all throughout the entire election. I would give a special thanks to Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister, for supporting the entire campaign with his presence on a daily basis. I would really like to take this opportunity to thank him personally. There are so many people that have to be named. The leaders of the BJP, Bab Satish Dhond, Vinay Tendulkar. It is an overwhelming moment at this moment. So in case I have missed out anybody, please do. I apologize for that.
How do you feel about it?
It was a 1-to-1 fight. The only opponent, if you look at the numbers, is the Congress, and they have pulled quite a lot of votes for the first time ever. So they have worked, they have got a good candidate, so I'm sure that has worked to their benefit. But in terms of maintaining the votes, we have maintained the vote share that we have had in the past.